So this is our bird feeder station. I remember when I was a kid and we would go to the farmhouse, my Momo and Papa Dick's farmhouse on vacation. And Momo had this little breakfast nook, and it was like this big window, rounded window, and she had her beautiful breakfast little round table and these amazing chairs. Oh, I can't even describe these chairs. Maybe I can get my dad to send a picture to put in this. Oh, these memories. Anyway, I'm getting a little sidetracked. We would watch the birds because right outside this breakfast nook window, she had a bird station set up with all these different heights. And she had tons of birds, and we would sit there and eat, or even just other times sit there and watch the birds. Hummingbirds, she just had all kinds. So last year, I think it was last year, for our anniversary, I had a really, really amazing woodworker guy make this for our anniversary. And it actually fits 4. Right now we only have Honey, leave the birds alone. Honey, leave the birds alone. Come here. Sits. We only have 3 right now. And that one actually had water, but it broke. As the other one said so. But anyway, these birds have they have to fill up all 3 of them with different seeds, and they haven't eaten in like, I don't know, 2-3 days. They're all empty. And they hang out here now too. So we have these bushes full of birds, all kinds of birds that live in the top part of our house here, that go in little holes. And then also our barn between the rocks and the little, what do you call it, between 2 rocks? Food. I don't know the English word for it. Anyway, they go in there and have nests in the barn. So these need to be refilled so that they'll keep on coming. And we sit now inside of our kitchen to eat and watch all of the different kinds of birds come, and it's one of my favorite things to do. And I got all of these bird feeders. No, that's not true. I got 2 of these bird feeders off of Amazon, these 2. And I got this bird feeder for free, actually, for buying a certain amount of product from an animal feed store. It was like spend $30 on animal food, and you'll get with this for free. I'm not real happy about this one. I mean, it's great, but as you can see, it's starting to come apart a little bit, just the wood, just the weather. But these have been really good. This one has not, we've had this now ever since we got that made, so I think it was 2 years ago. That's Christian. And then this one Christian doesn't like, but I love this one. He doesn't like it because you have to tip it upside down, fill it with bird feed. I'll show you what he's not crazy about. So I'm going to do this real fast. So this is what Christian doesn't like about this bird feeder, is you filled up the glass, yes. I guess it just gives him a feeling of frustration, because then when you turn it over, then he gets the feeling like, it's already 2/3 empty, or 1/3 empty. So he doesn't like it, but I love this one. But he is right. You also can't have anything. Oh, come on. You also can't have anything in the bottom part. Because when you go to flip it, then everything falls out of the bottom. So I always just dump it back in here. And we have huge, gigantic sacks of bird seed that we order. And then we just refill these when they get empty. Oh, I still have one. beautiful ones. A new one just started coming. Two actually, and I will look up what those are called in English. Sorry, in German they're called Stieglitz. So, oh, that's one of them right there. That's the new one. He has this little red spot on the top of his head, and then on his wings he's got like yellow and brown and white and black. Although the yellow is very, very faint on the very tips of his wings. Look at it. And just a minute ago there were two of them, so I guess oh, there's the other one. Oh my goodness. And I got, what is that? I don't know what that other one was. I've never seen him before. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, yay. It's like they know. Oh, she finally refilled him. Get over there. Look at them. Oh, there. What is that? What is that? That must be, I don't know what that is. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? It's like they're fighting. Guys, there are three of them. And the one you're fighting over, there's a second one with the same content right over there. Silly birds. Oh, I gotta sit here for hours and watch them. Yes. You see, Olivia? You see that new one? Do you see that new one right there? Right there on the right one now. Oh my goodness. He's so hectic. It's like he cannot stop on the bird feeder long enough to get something out. They get wild. Because certain sorts, like the sparrows, do not tolerate other birds with them on a bird feeder. See, there's a sparrow on the very right. And he does not tolerate other birds. He doesn't tolerate other birds except sparrows. Yeah, I've never seen those kinds before. And some of them, yeah, and then there are doves that come and pick up the stuff on the ground underneath. Oh, this is so cool.
Da ist sogar dieser mit dem roten Kopf dahinter.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Und der Spatz.
Yeah, he's waiting for them to leave so he can get something out. Oh my goodness, they're just, oh, I just love this. I just love this.